Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit your WordPress theme effectively. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to use WordPress to its full potential, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription that costs $40 in order to be able to do a lot of the tasks like starting a WooCommerce website, activating plugins, and installing them, etc. Now I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions very carefully and listen very carefully, you're gonna be able to complete this task. Now let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to access the theme customizer, and to do that you are gonna have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account's credentials and logging in. Once logged in, you're gonna be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, in the left sidebar, search for appearances right next to the brush and click on it. Now from the drop down, select customize right here. Here you can change colors, fonts, layouts and widgets. It's the easiest way to edit themes without coding. You can edit them right here by going to site identity, changing additional CS, etc. For the second step is to edit the theme files, which is very advanced. And to do that, you're gonna have to go to appearances right here in the left sidebar in the dashboard. Let's go to appearances and click on themes. Click on themes right here. Click on the theme editor right here. Click on it and select the file you want to edit, like style.css or header.php, and be cautious and always back up your site first. And for the third step is to use a child theme. If you're making a significant changes, create a child theme. This prevents your edits from being overwritten during updates. And for the fourth and final step, preview and save. And to do that, always preview your changes and ensure they are responsive before saving. And for additional tips, use a staging site for major edits and regularly update your theme for security and performance improvements. And that's it. That's how you edit themes in WordPress. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.